How can you invest in real estate in 2022? Right? You want to diversify. You hear that about the stock market all the time. Well, real estate diversifies itself. That's right. You may think it requires money or experience. Well, it actually doesn't. And it may not be for you, but it's very lucrative. Let me tell you that, I don't know if you know this, but 9 out of 10 people that get involved in real estate or millionaires, or 9 out of 10 of them are in real estate. That's right. So stay tuned because I'm going to tell you a little bit of how to invest in 2022. Liew, author of the Modern Wealth Building Formula, and today I'm going to show you that investing in real estate in 2022 can be done in several different ways. Stay tuned. Hey, I want to take a minute and just thank you guys for following me on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe, and let's get into a little bit of content, right? So you can invest in real estate in many, many ways. You can invest in a real estate investment trust. You can invest in single family. But let me get a little into the specifics of each type of investment. Now, a real estate investment trust, what is that? That's a REIT. Now, REITs are like the stock market. It's a actual stock that you buy from an investment in real estate. And you could do that and be hands off. That's really passive investing. And it's an easy way to invest in real estate. If you go to the other side of the spectrum, you can buy single family homes. You may be an owner of a single family home. You may want another single family home. I know people that have 100 single family homes. That's your choice and one of the other options. You can get into wholesaling. Wholesaling is where you actually sign a contract on a property and then you assign that contract to a buyer. You could do that in one day and make $10,000, believe it or not. You could rent out. Another example is rent out an existing portion of your home. There's a lot of things you can do, and I can go step by step. Say you have an extra room in your home. You may want to get a student that's going to the local college, starts giving you $500 a month, helps pay the bills. You may want to go into the wholesaling, like I mentioned, take it one step further where you start doing fixing and flipping. So you have a lot of different options, and these are just a few ways to get into investing. So keep watching my station because I keep giving you more information on different types of investing. We're going to get a little bit deeper into it in one moment. Stay tuned. So if you're looking to jump into investing in real estate right now, let's see how you would get started. If you know nothing about real estate, I would suggest taking a look at some real estate investment trusts and seeing what options are, see what their rate of returns are. That's just go like looking at another stock. Or if you want to be a little more aggressive, maybe you want to partner with someone who's already doing real estate investing. Maybe they're doing wholesaling. Maybe they're doing fixing and flipping. Or if you want to jump right into wholesaling, you could check out some of the things that we provide and look how to get data in your area, right? Keep in mind that you can do real estate in any area, right? Keep in mind real estate doesn't require real experience. I developed my first project. It was $17 million. I knew how to build, but I didn't know much about real estate. And then you can use other people's money. That's right. I used other people's money. So there's many ways that you can approach it. But the key is, how do you start investing? Just take that first step. You don't necessarily have to worry about it. Just take that first step, and then it's going to open up your mind to other opportunities. Go ahead and take action today. Hey guys, if you hadn't checked out my 11millionairesecrets.com, check it out. I literally laid out the steps that helped me make my first $1 million. Now, let's get back into why should you invest in real estate 2022. Well, the first thing is real estate is a very low point of entry and a low risk. And there's extremely, extremely competitive returns. So why wouldn't you get involved in something that has a low point of entry, a low risk, and a high reward, right? And the thing is, it's very attractive. It's attractive in the sense that banks and money get attracted to real estate. And that's why you want to go into real estate. People want to give you money to invest in your real estate, and then you get to succeed. And the risk is always calculated. So you could be relatively successful for a minimal risk on you individually. And that is the true beauty of investing in real estate. So make sure you take action and get started today. So that's how you can invest in 2022. And yes, if you're sitting there thinking it's going to be competitive, don't think that way. You could either jump into the red ocean where all the piranhas, or think blue ocean and create opportunity out of competition. There is no competition. So get started today and check out kenvanliew.com. And thank you again for subscribing to my channel, and make it a great day.